Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this soft pink halo eye with a bold liner. So as always, I'm starting off by priming my eyelids, and today I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, one of my favorite primers, to act as a base for the shadow as well as mute out any discoloration. The shadows that I will be using in today's video are going to be the Festival palette by Juvia's Place as well as the Dose palette. So I'm starting off by using this really pretty peach shade in the Festival palette called Mon Wu. I'm probably mispronouncing that, but don't worry, all names will be listed in the description box below for your convenience.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, help me know what you're looking for. Something
Once I lay down that transition color, I'm going to go in with the shade Oh Follow, also in the Festival palette, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up the crease area and define it. You guys will notice that I'm sweeping this color from one end of the eye to the other so as to define it, because we really want it to be really deep, and then we'll go in and define the halo area later. The next step is going to be to carve out a halo area. This is a little bit different than cutting a crease because we're only applying this into the center of the lid. We're going to use that same primer that we used earlier just to create a half crescent moon right in the center of the eye. This shade will be from the Dose palette, and it's in the color Tart. It's a really pretty iridescent white shade, and I'm just going to apply that right into the center of the eye. Once we have that lid color applied, I'm going to go in with one of the fluffy brushes from earlier, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is blending. Today I'm going to go in with the Tarte's Clay Paint Liner, one of my favorite eyeliners because it's really thick, and unlike my e.l.f. liquid liner, it does not run. So I'm going to use that to create a wing, and this wing is going to be the base wing, and then I'm going to go over it with a white liner later on, and that's going to be the bold liner that you saw in the thumbnail. So the white liner that you're going to see me use is the NYX Vivid Bright white liner. This one is a little bit of a thinner consistency compared to the Tarte's paint liner, so you will notice that it's going to run onto that black liner a little bit, but that's okay because we're going to go in after this and clean up any errors that we may have made in just a second. Cleaning up the white liner is a really easy fix. I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and remove any white spots that aren't supposed to be there. Next, I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush and I'm going to use that to apply inner corner highlights on my eyes. I'm using the exact same shade that I used on my lid, and I'm just brushing that right into the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going to go along my bottom lash line with the same crease shade that I used earlier, and I'm just going to brush that across. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara because I did opt to use mascara as opposed to lashes today because I really wanted the eyeliner to be able to stand out and I didn't want the lashes to cover it. So this is what we're working with so far. Ignore my nose. I know I look like Rudolph the White-Nosed Reindeer, but that's just primer for my face. So just ignore that. We're going to cover that right now. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation routine. I'm not going to show this part on camera because I do have another video of my foundation routine. So if you're interested in that, it will be linked in the cards as well as in the description box below. So for the lip color, I'm using my absolute favorite lip liner by ColourPop, and it is in the shade Pitch. It's a beautiful chocolate brown shade that matches with almost any lip gloss or lipstick combination that I have. Today's lipstick is going to be more of a taupey nude than like a warm nude, and I know I'm using a lipstick by Rimmel London and the Kate Moss collection. I'm not sure what shade it is, but I will have that linked down in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out. So I'm just applying that color, making sure I have it pretty evenly applied, and then I'm going to top it with the ColourPop lip gloss in the shade Verbatim, which is a really pretty iridescent clear shade. So this is the completed look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below and any video recommendations as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks.